Now let's look at what is called Johnson's rule. So Johnson's rule is about what is called flow sharp. Flow sharp is one where jobs go through the same sequence of machines in the same order. Every job will go through the same sequence. So when you have two or more jobs that will go through the same sequence of machines, then how do you sequence the jobs, in what order the jobs should be processed? Okay. And this is a very difficult problem, but Johnson's rule is about just two machines. Suppose if the whole process involves only two machines, so each job will have to go through these two machines or work centers, one and then the next. So this could be one possible example is if there is material preparation and then you have painting. To apply the Johnson's rule, there are two steps to it. One is you have to figure out the sequence in which the job should be performed. So that's step one. And the rules for that is described here. And I'll illustrate the rule when we work out an example. Then once you have done that, then you have to prepare a Gantt chart to see where the idle times are. So there will be some idle times, inserted idle times in the second workstation. So we have to develop a Gantt chart to be able to figure out what the final completion time for all the jobs will be. So step one, determining the sequence of jobs, and step two is preparing the Gantt chart to find what the completion time for all the jobs is going to be. So here is an example. We have 5 jobs. We have drill press. All the jobs will have to go to drill press first, and then you have the lathe work. So that's the second step. So now you have to arrange these into this sequence: the first job, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Now you go through the rule. I'll describe this rule in just a second. And once you have the rule set up, then you have to set up the Gantt chart. And here there is inserted idle times. Sometimes there will be idle time, sometimes there will not be idle time. And then you have the completion time for all the jobs B through A is 35.